Queen of Fire, I offer you energy as Witch of Soleil. Burn everything off the face of this earth, but most especially this vile woman.
Emily! What do you do?
Just some spells. The only way to break the curse is to fetch me the blood diamond. Only then will she wake up.
I don't see any point in wasting time with him. Let's just kill him. I'll look for it later. Farewell! Say hello to God for me! Are you afraid?
As long as I'm with you.
No! 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 Ah! The blood diamond was inside Emily's body. This is my usual slaughter. Your clan ends tonight. I think not.
Get SaltyTV to enjoy your drama feast.